As the verdict was made public, cheers outside the US Supreme Court. The decision on a 5-4 majority that bans on same-sex marriage were illegal and had to go.
This decision is a long time coming, and I'm really glad that everyone can finally love who they want to love.
I want to live in a world where the rights for all people, of all colors, of all creeds, of all religions, of all nationalities, and of all gender identities and sexual orientations. So this is just amazing.
14 states, mainly in the South and Midwest, will now be brought into line with the rest of the country. The 4 justices who opposed the lifting of the ban are all Conservative and were scathing in their criticism of the ruling. Chief Justice John Roberts writing, "Celebrate the opportunity for a new expression of commitment to a partner, celebrate the availability of new benefits, but do not celebrate the Constitution. It had nothing to do with it." President Barack Obama, whose views on gay marriage he says have evolved, spoke after tweeting his delight at the verdict with the hashtag #LoveWins.
This ruling will strengthen all of our communities by offering to all loving same-sex couples the dignity of marriage across this great land.
This is a hugely significant decision, perhaps the most important ruling covering marriage to come from the Supreme Court since 1967, when it ruled that interracial marriage was not illegal. Outside the court, there are those who believe that this is not the end of the fight for same-sex couples.
We want to make sure that we continue to fight because our community needs not just marriage, but also employment protections, and we also need housing protections and a whole host of other issues that we're combating today.
All opinion polls suggest most Americans support same-sex marriage. Now the court has made it clear the law does too. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, at the US Supreme Court in Washington.